No longer using your old Facebook page and want to delete it? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete a Facebook page. Now let's get started. Note that in order to delete your Facebook page, you'll need to have admin access that allows you to do so. To delete your Facebook page, open the Facebook app and switch from your personal profile into your page. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Scroll down and tap Access and Control. Select Delete Page. Then tap Continue. Choose the reason you want to delete your Facebook page. And tap Continue. Before deleting, you can download a copy of your page's data if you wish. When you're ready to delete, tap Continue. To verify your request, you may be prompted to provide your Facebook password. Enter your password and tap Continue. To confirm, tap Delete Page. Your deletion request will then be submitted. If you change your mind, you'll have 30 days to reactivate your deleted Facebook page. That's all it takes to permanently delete a Facebook page. Changed your mind and want to reactivate your deleted page? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.